So if you're comfortable, please close your eyes. If not, just allow your gaze to soften, either on the chair in front of you or the floor or wherever it is that you're at right now. If you can take a moment and just allow yourself to soften into this moment. And again, you can substitute any words or affirmations in here that work for you. I awaken to truth. I awaken to life. I awaken to the presence of divine intelligence moving as me. This day is prepared for my good. The way opens as I walk it. Right timing meets me without struggle. I release yesterday completely. I do not rehearse old outcomes. I stand in the freshness of this now moment. The within is ceaselessly becoming the without, and I choose my within wisely. I speak words of order. I speak words of peace. I speak words of community and connection. I speak words of abundance and clarity. Thoughts of lack or insufficiency do not serve me, for I am abundant in nature and one in divine mind. Everything always works towards my highest good. I am guided, I am supported, I am carried by the intelligence of life itself. Consciousness is the back of all things. And I invite yourself to bring yourself into a deeper awareness right now. And just allow those words to soften and these next words to soften. You don't need to repeat anything. Just notice the felt sense of being aligned. Notice what it's like to not rush ahead of the day, but to allow the day to rise up and meet you. There's nothing you need to prove, nothing you need to force into form. Faith is already active. Truth is already moving. Life is already flowing. Let's rest here for a few breaths, allowing the body, the mind, and the heart to align with what has already been spoken. Health flows through me freely, joyously, and endlessly. Wonderful health is an idea in divine mind and blesses me constantly. The mitochondria, cells, and tissues of my body are continuously unfolding toward renewal, new life, and existence. My mind is constantly in the right and perfect frequency and vibration to lead with compassion, imagination, and love. I look upon money as divine substance, a divine idea, for everything is made from the one spirit. I know matter and spirit are one. Money is constantly circulating in my life, and I use it wisely and constructively. Money, too, is an idea in divine mind and blesses me constantly. I release and let go of any thoughts that bind me, fears that limit me, and beliefs that control me. For I and the Father are one, and I am here to love, uplift, and serve. I am spiritual power, and there is no opposition to my word, for I am one in divine substance, flowing through me, in me, around me, and as me. And as we gently come to completion, let's affirm this together. My word goes forth with power. It accomplishes its purpose. It does not return to me void. I move into this day established in faith, anchored in knowing, and open to the ever unfolding good of life. I am the way, the truth, and the light. Seek and I find, ask and I receive, knock and the door is opened. And so it is. And we can take a nice deep breath together. Let that go. And really, just let that go. That's it. It's done. The day is done. Namaste.